Hi, I'm Ty with Total Finishing Solutions. Today we're going to show you a containerized blast booth with sweeper recovery floor. This is a state-of-the-art booth. There's no augers, there's nothing mechanical that's going to get jammed up or wear like a lot of recovery systems do. It's also going to be able to handle virtually every kind of media possible and automatically sort it and put it back to the blast pot so you can have continuous blasting without having to stop and sweep floors or shovel or anything like that. The floor itself is retrofittable. We can put it in an existing blast booth if you already blast now, or the container is a great option if you're new to blasting because it keeps the economy of the booth down, but it gives us a nice, easy working space. Here, let's walk around it a little bit so you can see the features before I open it. This side, we just have the nice green, TFS green booth. The actual motor for the sweeper floor itself is outside of the booth here. We have our dust collector module here, so we're pulling all of the air in a cross-draft method. And then here we have the bucket elevator, so everything that the floor is recovering comes back, goes up the bucket elevator, and is being sorted by the dust collection system. So the waste, things that are too fine, that won't blast anymore, are going to go to the waste container, and the new stuff's going to load and top fill right back into our blaster here as well. Okay. So I've got a little bucket full of the actual blast media because I'm not going to suit up and blast today, but I'm going to show you what this sweeper floor does and how it recovers. So the controls are very easy. We're going to turn the system on. That's going to start the floor itself. We're going to turn the lights on. And if it was the end of the day, I would hit the purge, and that would back pulse the cartridge filters. Got the safety suit ready. We need a full seat with a blast hood if you're going to be in here. We've got our blast nozzle, safety switch. And come on in here and go straight down to the floor. This is what I'm talking about as the sweeper floor. So each one of these corridors is always sweeping the immediate forward until it gets to the traverse corridor, which sweeps it over to the bucket elevator at the very front. Full coverage of the floor, no one stopping to sweep. I can pour media, I can blast it anywhere. You can watch it just kind of get swept and move forward all over the recovery system. Just get it there. Come forward. Here's our transverse corridor here. Media is going to work its way up, moved over there for recovery. All of our dust and stuff that we're blasting is getting sucked into the dust collector here. All of the walls of this are lined with rubber. So this prolongs the life of the booth, so we're not actually eating away the metal of the blast container exterior. We have Lexon over all of the lights, which is pretty much impervious to the blast. We have really bright LED lighting coming at double 45s, so I have a nice bright place to blast. Additionally, that Wacom light will fit the blast nozzle as well, so I can have additional lighting